Hello everyone, welcome back to Corpus. Modern technology, the gadgets have transformed our lives 360 degrees by speeding up work processes and by bringing comfort to our lives. But the prolonged use of gadgets like mobile phones, laptops, computers have also increased the incidence of neck pain. And nowadays, a modern name given to such neck pain is text neck or tech neck. So the neck pain in text neck or tech neck is mainly caused by prolonged use of mobile phones, computers, laptops by adopting faulty posture for long period of time. Now what exactly happens when you use mobile phones or laptop for long period of time? So when you use phones in this position and when you be in this position for a long time, your shoulders get rounded. Look at this posture and your neck goes in front. So because of this posture, there is a muscle imbalance. Some muscles become tight, some muscle becomes weak. So most of the front muscles, your chest muscles become tight. Some of the neck muscles over here becomes tight and some of the muscles at the back becomes weak. So this gives rise to kind of neck pain, neck stiffness, stiffness around the shoulder area and occasionally headaches. So now let's see ways to deal with it. So before starting with the stretches and exercises to fix this neck pain, you have to start with hot fermentation. Hot fermentation you have to take around the neck area and around the stiff shoulder area for 10 to 15 minutes. So with this hot fermentation, it will increase the blood supply, it will make the tissues, the muscles and the skin pliable, flexible, and then you can start with your stretches and exercises. So first one is hot fermentation for 10 to 15 minutes. Now the first exercise is chin tuck ins. That is a corrective exercise. Now what is it and why to do it? So when you use mobile phones for long period of time and you get into that bad posture, your neck moves in front. That is when you use the mobile phone like this, the neck goes in front. That is called as the forward neck posture. So you have to correct it by moving the chin in. Okay, so I'm showing it again. So your neck moves in front and you have to correct it by moving it in. So this is called as a chin tuck in. So you have to move your chin in, hold it for around 5 to 10 seconds and then leave it. You shouldn't bend your neck, but you have to move the chin inside straight. Not like this, but it is like this. So you have to move it in straight. Hold it for around 5 to 10 seconds and leave. And this you can do around 10 times. Now I'm going to show you trapezius stretch. Trapezius is this muscle which comes from the neck over here in this area and goes towards the shoulder. So to do this, you have to stand straight. Most important thing is you have to keep your neck straight like this in neutral position, not in front or not upward or sideways rotated. It has to be straight in neutral position. You have to grab your head like this and you have to move your neck towards the shoulder. So you will get a proper stretch from your neck towards the shoulder area. So you have to hold this for around 10 seconds and repeat it 3 times. The next one is levator scapulae stretch. In levator scapulae stretch, you have to position your body straight, keep your shoulders relaxed, rotate your head a little bit opposite to the direction of pain. That is, if your pain is on the right hand side, you have to rotate your neck towards left, a little bit rotation, and you have to move your chin towards the collarbone. So hold your head like this and move your head a little in front and the chin should touch the collarbone. Hold it for around 5 to 10 seconds and repeat it around 3 times. The next one is scapular squeezes. In scapular squeezes, you have to squeeze your upper back so that your shoulder blades come together towards each other to strengthen the upper back, which is very important in this kind of a neck pain. These two are your shoulder blades and you have to move them towards each other. That is, you have to squeeze the shoulder. This can be done by relaxing your shoulders. Your shoulder shouldn't rise up while doing this. So lift your hands up, relax your shoulders and then squeeze them. So both the shoulder blades should move towards each other. Hold this squeeze for around 10 seconds and then relax. So lift your hands up, pull them towards each other, squeeze them and relax. So these were the simple exercises and stretches to deal with this text neck or tech neck. There is an advanced version of this, the progression, which in which we'll be adding more difficult exercises, and these exercises will be showing you in our upcoming videos. So stay tuned.
For more content on health and fitness, do like our video and subscribe to our channel.